This fresh green and white bunch is called Pears of Palermo. Beautiful, lovely green colour. Now, fill the vase about 1/3 full with clean room temperature water. Too cold and it will shock the flowers, too hot and they'll evaporate. And then in I go with 3 really striking alstroemeria. Here we have some lovely scented stocks. They have an unbelievable flavour to them, or fragrance, should I really say, a kind of peppery, cinnamony scent. And I'm going to put those on either side of the alstroemeria. Now into the middle is going some eucalyptus populus, which smells also incredible. You can pinch some of the leaves to unleash its flavour. And by putting that in the middle, you're creating a bit of a foliage nest, which allows my roses to now stand upright. So using the eucalyptus and the other stems, I can now stand my roses upright. Here we have some lovely kind of light green lisianthus, and that will now stand up very, very easily in the middle. And you can carefully prise open the flower heads, kind of spreading them out through the bunch. Here are some white irises, which are really very special. They'll arrive closed and pop open over the course of a few days. Hope you love it.